Okay, it's about 2:30 in the morning, and snow's been going on for about 12 hours now. There's a big snowdrift in front of my house, and I actually want to put this pole marked with tape in front of it. If you can see right here, it's about 55 inches, and I just want to see how big the snowdrift is. So here we go. As you can see, I can't even get out my front door, so I have to go to the side door, and there's snow that's drifted all the way in. So here I go. Okay, remember how I was complaining to my knee? Now it's up to my waist. My waist. Alrighty, now it's in. It's in. Let's see how high this goes. We're at, I see it here. It's at 30 inches right now at the bottom. This bottom tape right here. See, this is what the storm's like. About a few hours ago, I have my footprints out here. Now they're all gone. It's the blizzard 2011.